Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our NIEVS home school. My dear students, hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Sanjida, Rahman, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Professional School, day shift. Today I am going to take a science class for the student of class 2, and our today's lecture number 7, and our topic is chapter 9, question answer, word meaning and one word answer. In our previous class, we read this chapter and also do the exercise, and today's class we will read word meaning, one word answer and question answer from this chapter. Let us start our class. Chapter 9, Our Clothes. In this chapter we found two words which are unknown to us, and the meaning of this word is nylon, man-made fiber. Nylon, N-Y-L-O-N, nylon. Nylon is one kind of fiber and it is man-made fiber. Wool, W-O-O-L, wool, W-O-O-L. Wool means the fine, soft, curly hair of the sheep or other animal. Wool means the fine, soft and curly hair of sheep or other animal. We get wool from their body. One word answer. 1. What are clothes made of? Answer, fiber. Again I repeat the question. What are clothes made of? Answer, fiber. Number 2. What are the clothes made of people living in cold places wear? Answer, wool. Again I repeat the question. 2. What are the clothes made of people living in cold places wear? Answer, wool. Number 3. What type of clothes should we wear at night? Answer, bright clothes. Number 3. What type of clothes should we wear at night? Answer, bright clothes. Now, question answer. Question answer, there are two questions. Number 1, what do we need? Why do we need clothes? Answer, we need clothes for protect us from heat, cold and rain. Clothes are also protect us from insect bites. It also makes human beings look smarter and beautiful. I repeat the question answer. Question, why do we need clothes? Answer, we need clothes for protect us from heat, cold and rain. Clothes also protect us from insect bites. It also makes human beings look smarter and beautiful. Question 2. How many types of fiber are there? Answer, there are two types of fiber. Number 1, natural fiber. Natural fibers are cotton and silk. They are called natural fiber. Number 2, man-made fiber. Man-made fiber are nylon and polyester. These two types of fiber are made by man. And this natural fiber, we found this cotton fiber from the cotton plant and silk from the silkworm. So, we use two types of fiber. One is natural fiber. Natural fibers are cotton and silk, and man-made fibers. Man-made fiber are nylon and polyester. Now, homework for you next week is homework number 5, word meaning and one word answer from chapter 9. My dear students, I hope you understand our today's class and you will do the homework properly and submit it in the due date. Till then, keep well. Assalamu alaikum.